Perched delicately on the rugged foothills of Pacific Palisades, the Tramonto Residence by ShubinDonaldson didn't merely occupy the land, it rose from it, a testament to architectural grace and environmental reverence. It was a dwelling born of its dramatic surroundings, embracing the steep canyon topography as if it were an extension of the very bedrock. From every angle, the home offered sweeping, cinematic views that stretched across the undulating Santa Monica Mountains, tracing the serpentine coastline, and finally dissolving into the boundless expanse of the Pacific Ocean. This wasn't just a house, it was a carefully composed symphony of stone, glass, and wood, echoing the grandeur of nature. The architects had understood the profound dialogue between structure and site. Rather than imposing itself, the residence was strategically terraced into the natural contours of the hillside, a subtle act of integration that minimized its visual impact. Subgrade structural elements reinforced the slope, turning the earth into an ally rather than an obstacle. The residence itself was thoughtfully divided into two principal masses, a subtle embrace of the terrain's undulations. These two volumes were connected by open-air terraces, creating a fluid interplay between semi-public gathering spaces, where laughter might echo against the vast panorama, and private retreats, offering solace and introspection amidst the wild beauty. A refined palette, chosen with a discerning eye for harmony, defined the home's aesthetic. The cool, quiet dignity of limestone met the expansive transparency of high-performance glazing, while the rich, dark warmth of oak wood provided a grounded counterpoint. This material trinity wasn't just about luxury, it enhanced the home's organic connection to the landscape, blurring the lines between built form and natural splendor. Beyond the immediate structure, drought-tolerant plantings and a carefully cultivated grove of trees further reinforced the site's ecological sensitivity, a living commitment to the native terrain that invited local wildlife to flourish. Spanning almost 2 acres, the property felt boundless, yet every element was meticulously placed. The 14,500 square foot main house and its complementary 2,500 square foot accessory building were positioned with strategic intent, not just to capture the breathtaking views, but also to optimize privacy and harness natural light. This was Southern California living distilled to its essence, a seamless indoor-outdoor relationship that encouraged a constant connection to the elements, where the gentle ocean breeze became an unseen guest, and the golden hour sun painted the interiors in hues of amber. The expansive sliding glass doors were more than mere openings. They were portals that dissolved the boundary between interior and exterior. They opened onto an infinity-edge pool that seemed to spill directly into the canyon below, merging with the vast blue of the Pacific. Adjacent to this aquatic masterpiece, a grand patio invited al fresco gatherings, while a more secluded courtyard offered a quiet sanctuary at the heart of the home, a place for contemplation under an open sky. Inside, the design was a masterful balance of sculptural artistry and functional elegance. A mezzanine and bridge seemed to float effortlessly above a tranquil reflecting pool, creating a sense of ethereal lightness. For entertainment, a state-of-the-art theater awaited, a perfect escape into cinematic worlds. And then there was the staircase, a striking 3D milled mahogany marvel with cantilevered treads, a sculptural journey in itself that drew the eye upward, hinting at the private realms above. Natural light was not just an element, It was a central design principle, an energy-efficient embrace of the sun's bounty. Strategically placed skylights, louvered shading systems, and passive ventilation worked in concert, enhancing comfort while maintaining that vital, invigorating connection to the outdoors. Beyond its sheer architectural brilliance, the Tramonto Residence stood as a proud testament to environmentally conscious design. A verdant grove of 200 newly planted trees, alongside native drought-tolerant landscaping, not only supported local wildlife but also ensured the home blended seamlessly into the existing terrain, as if it had always been there. The accessory building, a discreet presence on the lower hillside, further underscored this respect. Housing a gym, comfortable guest quarters, and a lively recreation space overlooking a play court, it was integrated so subtly that it seemed to emerge organically from the land itself. In essence, every single element of the Tramonto Residence, from its carefully planned setting to the exquisite choice of materials, reinforced its profound relationship with its surroundings. It was more than a luxurious dwelling, it was a refined yet grounded retreat, a place where the grandeur of nature and the ingenuity of human design converged to create an embodiment of modern coastal luxury, a home that truly lived and breathed with the land. And that wraps up our journey through the incredible Tramonto Residence. We hope you enjoyed this look at a home that truly redefines luxury living, where cutting-edge design meets the breathtaking beauty of nature. If you were inspired by the seamless indoor-outdoor flow, the thoughtful integration with the landscape, or simply the stunning views, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tours of extraordinary homes. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite feature of the Tramonto Residence was. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.